Are you tired of wasting hours and hours turning one long video into dozens of short clips? Do you ever stare at your footage and think, I have good content here, but I just can't be bothered to chop it up, find the best bits, write hooks, and then schedule everything? Same. That was me for a long time until I learned to pair smart generative AI with an editor that actually does the heavy lifting. Today I want to walk you through a workflow that lets you make a month's worth of reels in under 30 minutes. No, seriously, it's possible. And it doesn't feel like cheating when it actually makes your content better. First, a quick reality check. You won't be replaced by AI, but you will be edged out by someone who uses it well. That's not meant to scare you. It's meant to motivate you because tools exist to do the boring parts of the job, so you can focus on the creative stuff. The creative stuff is the personality, the takes, and the timing that only you can provide. Let's break down the exact way I use these tools together to start the process. When first using generative models, a common mistake is guessing what the tool needs to know. Instead of just asking for ideas or hooks, tell the model to ask you clarifying questions first to understand your niche and audience. When the AI interviews you, the answers it gets are specific and useful, not generic and recycled content. This tiny habit pays off massively because teaching the AI to ask about your emotional goals leads to sharper hooks and scrapes. Next, you need to repurpose the content you already have, like that podcast, tutorial, or live stream. I like to export the full video and toss it into the main editing tool to use its auto-editing feature. This feature will automatically find attention-grabbing moments, the quick reactions, funny lines, or mini tutorials, and turn them into ready-to-post clips. It's not magic, it's pattern recognition plus smart editing rules that save hours of manual scrub and cut time. Then, take your past successful titles and captions, feed them into the scripting AI, and ask for variations to match your new clips. Hooks are the single most important part of short-form content because the first few seconds decide if people keep watching. If you struggle with headlines, use generative AI to brainstorm a massive pile of hooks and then pick the ones that truly feel like you. A great prompt asks for 5 one-sentence hooks under 8 words, each with a different emotional pull like curiosity, humor, or a practical promise. Remember to use these as springboards and practice your delivery, sometimes even pasting the exact hook as a text overlay to match the clip's pacing. The auto-editing doesn't mean you never touch anything, it means you don't have to start editing from zero. The tool identifies high-energy moments and succinct explanations, outputting several clips already trimmed, sometimes even suggesting vertical framing. Then you copy the trimmed clip's transcript into the scripting AI and ask it to refine the content into a direct-to-camera script with a bold hook and CTA. That two-step loop, Vizard finds the moment, and AI tightens the script. Gives you publish-ready clips much faster than doing either step alone. The technical reason people fail to post consistently is logistics like exporting, resizing, writing captions, and manually posting everything. The platform's content calendar plus auto-schedule removes that mental overhead by letting you tag clips and set posting windows once. Suddenly, you are not micromanaging every single post. You are curating batches of content ahead of time. This is where tools that actually help you publish consistently, not just cut clips, make the biggest difference in your output. Use AI to create captions in multiple tones, short and punchy, long-form story, or a straight-to-value summary. Then run A/B style experiments. A good prompt asks the AI to rewrite a caption into 3 alternatives. One for quick scrolling, one storytelling, and one summary with a CTA to save. AI is an incredible assistant, but never an oracle, so you must double-check any invented statistic or historical fact before claiming it. I treat all AI outputs as a first draft, where I always edit, add my personality, and verify any factual claims for brand safety. Here's the step-by-step summary. Gather your long-form videos, upload them to auto-edit, and let the AI spit out dozens of candidate clips. While that processes, prompt the scripting AI to ask you quick questions about your goals so it can inform the next steps. For each promising clip, get a refined script with a hook and captions from the AI, then drop it all into the calendar to auto-schedule. Treat this like leveling up your efficiency, not laziness. These tools are accelerators that free up hours every week for you to make better content. If you pair quick ideation and scripting with a tool that outputs publishable, scheduled clips, a month's worth of content in 30 minutes becomes your new routine.